You so precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it.
Okay, first, yeah, and then first we're gonna open it and see what's in it. Okay. Whoa! There's around stickers. Oh, then there's around this, around everything. And I know you're nervous because I got this. And I also got crayons. And I got everything now. So, and I have got this. Ryan goes and right here. And his little green guy. And what else? Oh, and this player guy. Okay. Now, I'm gonna draw. And oh no. What have I done? It's okay, we can. These, which is, I'm gonna draw this one first with green and red. Okay, I go with green first. Okay, here I go with green. Nice flash doing, and I'll do Okay, that looks good. So now I'm gonna draw this. I'm gonna draw Ryan. Okay, first we need this. Yeah. And we gotta draw it up here. Turn this around. Yeah, do it like that. Yeah. Yeah, Yeah. And what does he look like, kids? He looks like this. And his thingies. Oh yeah. Now until we got that correct, we need to get this one all blue. Which is, I'm not gonna do it correct. You're blue, dude. Yeah, blue, yeah. Okay, we got that one. Okay, now I know that looks bad, but yeah. I'm gonna draw the same of him because, okay, he makes it rude because every time I do this, he makes it rude. Okay, I'm sorry. He does. I'm gonna draw this panda bear. But usually, I draw every color that I want to. Well, I pick green. Okay, I know what to do, guys. Don't bother me. Panda bear like this. Oh yeah. Get that. hit this thumbs up, subscribe, and turn the bell goes like ding ding